I've played baseball since I was 3 and football since I was 5. My first injury occurred my freshman year here actually, and it was the first injury I've ever had. I suffered it in game 10 versus Louisville. I'm going to tackle the quarterback, and it kind of just got caught underneath me and hyperextended, and I was, going through it and played the rest of the game. And so when I went in to get the MRI, I was like, well, they're not going to find anything. Like, clearly it's not torn. I played the rest of the game, and then I found out it was torn. And I remember the first person standing there was Dr. Ratigan to break the news to me, and it was devastating. He just looked at me with the most calm look in his face. He's like, dude, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be great. You're gonna come back, better than ever, stronger than ever. And once I kind of got over myself, I was like, okay, cool, doc. I trust you. I'm ready to go. Well, miraculously on my right one, I was back in spring ball 3.5 months later, running around in a brace. They kept me out of contact just for precautionary reasons, but I was feeling great. I was walking 4 or 5 days after the surgery, squatting heavy 3 months in, doing all these things that I was just trying to redefine the standard of recovery, and I was amazed by how well my knee was acting for me. And whether that was whether their missing piece was the quality of the surgery or their attitude, I don't really know, but I know I could control my effort and attitude. I just needed a good quality surgery, and I certainly got that with Dr. Ratigan. He took care of me both times, and we were off and running. Speaking with NFL personnel at the NFL Combine, who did your surgery? Oh, Ratigan. Oh, yeah, Ratigan. Makes sense. He seemed very well known and respected amongst his peers, and certainly a guy, I would use moving forward if I was to sustain a knee injury in the NFL. Pray not. This is Drue Tranquill, linebacker with Notre Dame football, and I wanted to extend a special thank you to South Bend Orthopedics for helping me get back on the field.